Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. TGIF. Oh, the weather was absolutely beautiful yesterday. Thank you, Mr. Bob Harlan, for the very sweet weather report. And the weather's supposed to be nice for the next couple days. Enough being Al Roker. Last night we were in Egypt. I haven't used that much hardware in a long time. There's a t-shirt that I've been seeing. It's not one of mine, unfortunately. It's an octopus with all different, like, cooking utensils, knives and rolling pins and various things in all 8 arms. That's how I felt yesterday while I was preparing koshari. Koshari is a comfort food in Egypt. I did a little more reading. When you download this recipe, you're going to get several pages, and it's not all recipe. It is information on this dish. All right. It was good. Will I make it again? I don't know. By the way, warning. It makes a lot. For a guy that's living alone right now, I have plenty of leftovers. Yeah, so I should have done a quarter recipe, not a half. So that's a warning. It is good. It is simple. But to get it ready all at once and get it together, it takes an octopus. This is an octopus meal. You should have saw all my glassware that I had on my drain area, because it was all used for water. So I just, didn't need to wash it. So I let them dry. Yeah. All my All-Clad, most of my glassware. Yeah. But it all came together. All right. Tonight, we're going to Thailand. I do a lot of Thai dishes, but I chose this one because it's different than anything I normally do from Thailand. I'm doing Thai coconut lime fish. This one looks really good. Basically, it's a white fish in a coconut lime sauce. Yeah. And I'm doing a traditional American thing side. I'll get to that in a few seconds. So let's get to it. The hardware is super simple compared to yesterday. Just a saute pan and a baking dish for my side. So, yeah, super simple. Got a couple of tilapia fillets. You can use pretty much any white fish, but I like tilapia. Plus, I can use them for things like fish tacos and so forth. Yeah. So, for the fish, kosher salt, black pepper, and basically some avocado oil for the pan. For the sauce, basically, the fish gets treated very lightly before it's pan fried. The sauce is garlic, palm sugar. I'm going to be using some Thai chilies, ginger, shallot, coconut milk, a little bit of fish sauce, not a lot. Lime juice. I'm going grocery shopping this morning, so I'm going to be picking up some actual limes because there's lime juice and lime zest. The garnish is coriander and kaffir lime leaves. The side, I'm going to be doing a roasted potato. This being Friday, I'm going to be using up some things. I'm going to be picking up one more large potato. I'm going to cut up these green onions. Probably add some smoked paprika, some deji mirch, salt, pepper, some garlic, and so forth. And some oil. So here's the goodies for tonight's trip to Thailand. Typically, this fish is supposed to be served with some type of Asian greens, rice. I've had more rice this week. Yeah, I'm riced out. Yeah. I haven't depleted my stores, though. I was at LA Merchandise yesterday picking up some ginger, and there's the woman in front of me checking out had more bags of doll, yellow doll, green doll, black doll, red doll. I mean, bags, big bags. I'm like, I've never seen anybody buy that much doll, ever. I mean, we're talking like 5-pound bags. So finally I asked her, I said, ma'am, that's a lot of doll. She goes, well, my folks are vegetarian. I went, there it is. And she said it was pretty much a 6-month supply. So, but that was a lot of doll. Yeah. So if you're looking for doll, all various colors and flavors, LA Merchandise. All right, so on this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.